Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Da Nang, guys. In case you're wondering where Da Nang is in Vietnam. That's in Asia, in case you don't know where that is. Just to let you guys and gals know out there, because some of you are like, where are you, OG? So I've been getting a lot of comments about that. So in this video, we're going to be talking about a Luna Classic. We're going to be talking about the Coinbase effect. Also, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin, of course. We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and just in general, where things are this weekend, what things are happening, and all that kind of stuff. So if that sounds interesting, if that actually sounds interesting, don't forget to go down there, smash the like, subscribe, and show some love for the algorithm, and don't forget to comment. And just to make sure you guys understand, this is not financial advice. So let's talk about what is going on with Luna Classic. Let's talk about what is going on with Coinbase. There are a lot of rumors out there right now circling around on Twitter that Coinbase could be or potentially be listing Luna Classic on their platform. Now keep in mind, I said potentially listing Luna Classic on Coinbase. So, and I think it's important for you guys to understand that there's been no confirmations out there. There's been nothing concrete from Coinbase. I did reach out to Coinbase customer service, and I asked them point blank in an email, are you listing TERRA LUNA CLASSIC on your platform? And they basically replied that all listings, the listing of Luna Classic has not been decided, and if and when Coinbase does list a Luna Classic, there will be a public announcement. So they basically just gave me pretty much a generic answer out there. So if you take a look at the Etherscan right now, and you take a look at some of the Coinbase wallets out there, you can see clearly that Coinbase has been loading up on wrapped Luna Classic. Okay, so wrapped Luna Classic is different than the normal Luna Classic. Is basically a byproduct of Luna Classic. It is a wrapped version, so that way the token can be transferred and transmitted on different ERC platforms out there. So there's absolutely been no confirmation that Coinbase is going to list Luna Classic. Now remember, Dogecoin and also Shiba Inu also went down a similar path, but particularly with Dogecoin. When Dogecoin, there was lots of rumors about it being listed, and as we see that as we got closer and closer to the listing, there was a lot of euphoria, and then when the listing happened, it was kind of like so. Keep in mind that this could be another situation of buy the rumors, sell the news out there, as often is the case. But the one thing that if you take a look at the Luna Classic volume right now, so let's just jump into the Luna Classic volume. So if you take a look at coin market cap right now, you can see that Luna Classic is doing pretty good. We're going to talk about the technicals in a minute and some price predictions for Luna Classic, but you can see right now that right now, Luna Classic is up 14.24%. So that is not bad. That is absolutely not bad, considering that Bitcoin is down 1.24%. Ethereum is below $1,300. So we're seeing that is a pretty good shake to the upside for Luna Classic out there. So what we are seeing right now in terms of volume, we're seeing almost $1 billion worth of volume, and that's around about 45% of the total market cap. And now the market cap is back above $2 billion. So we're seeing that we actually are seeing a lot of volume right now for Luna Classic, and there are some speculation that some of the volume that we're seeing today cannot be retail traders. It could be institutional buying. So remember, before Coinbase is going to make the announcement that they're listing Luna Classic, they actually need to load up on the coin. So that is important. So we could be seeing that these higher volumes, because we're seeing about 62.84% increase in the volume in the last 24 hours. So that is leading to some speculation out there that we're seeing institutions aping into TERRA LUNA CLASSIC. And this is probably not retail investors, because I don't think that on a weekend, on a Sunday, remember, a lot of retail investors are kind of doing their thing. They're probably with their families and not stuck in front of their computer every 5 seconds. So to have these very large volumes, we're probably seeing that this could be a sign that institutions are loading up on Luna Classic. So, something similar happened with Binance way back when it started to load up. So this could be some evidence that Coinbase is definitely be loading up. So, if you take a look at the technical chart for Luna Classic right now, we can see that exactly as I predicted. I did tell everyone that we did have this nice bull flag here, and that there was going to be an impending breakout to the upside. We did kind of consolidate here. Then we in fact did break out exactly as predicted. We did top out around about 37183, and then we did see a sizable retracement down to the downside. So we're seeing right now that there is a little bit of a retracement here for Luna Classic, and we're seeing that retracement is down about 5%. But if you take a look at where we have gone from the base of the breakout all the way here to the top, that is around about 38%. So if you do take a look at that, we're seeing ourselves go up from the consolidation point of Luna Classic, and we've gone up about 38.40%. So giving up about 5%, that is not too shabby, because even so, we are still up around about 23% from the baseline after the bull flag breakout. So that in itself is looking quite strong and quite positive. So where do I see a Luna Classic going in the next 24 hours? Well, it depends. If we do get more confirmation that Luna Classic is being bought up by Coinbase, and if we get concrete confirmation, we could see that the Luna Classic could start to go up into this area here. So I'm pretty confident that if we do get confirmation, we could see that Luna Classic could definitely be going up to the 4.7 area, and even maybe as high as the 5.0 area. So that's what I'm looking for. If there's no confirmation, then what we're probably going to see is once again, we're going to probably see some sideways consolidation like we did here, probably going up and down, and then eventually we will break out to the next level, which should take us around about this area here. So I'm quite confident that our next area of breakout should be around about 4.0. So that is what I'm predicting is going to happen. Now remember, we absolutely still have the burns happening. So we're seeing right now that the 1.22% tax is actually at 3.2 billion, and that gives a total of a 7.5 billion TERRA LUNA Classic tokens burn. So we're seeing that if you take a look at the total contribution to the burns, we're seeing that right now the 1.2% burn tax is becoming the biggest contributor to that, and that is pretty cool beans in the house, followed by Lunatics tokens, and then followed by MEX CEO. So we're seeing that the Binance users, the Binance burn is very insignificant right now, but we could see this increasing because we have the fee burns that are going to be added to the burn wallet. So that is pretty cool beans in the house. Let's absolutely jump in to see what's going on with Dogecoin right now. So Dogecoin right now, we're seeing that Dogecoin is down about 3.47%, and that is just below our 6-cent level. So that is not looking too good for Doge. Now you can see that here. As I talked about, the TERRA LUNA Classic volume is insane. It's up 62%. We're seeing exactly the opposite here for Dogecoin, and it's only about $229 million worth of volume. So you can see that Doge volume is down 52%, where Luna Classic volume is up almost 62%, and we're almost hitting $1 billion in volume. So that is, kind of some evidence out there. That's some kind of proof out there that there's definitely some big trades going on, and I believe it's institutions picking up a whole bunch of Luna Classic, and I still believe that it is Coinbase that is loading up on Luna Classic in advance of an announcement that's going to be coming out. Now remember, I'm absolutely not saying that they're going to do it. So, guys, don't misunderstand me in the comments. There's absolutely no confirmation out there that the Luna Classic will be listed on Coinbase. But if it does get listed, it's going to be huge, because that's going to give you exposure to a lot of people in the crypto space who are on the Coinbase platform, because Coinbase is one of the biggest retail crypto platforms in the United States of America. Of course, not as big as Binance and the like, but still a significant player out there. And not only that, Coinbase tends to be a very reputable player out there, and also institutions also do use Coinbase. So in Coinbase Pro, so we could be seeing something really big happen. Let's see what's going on right now with Bitcoin. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is just trading just above our $19,000 support level. We could be seeing that if Bitcoin doesn't break to the upside soon, we could see us collapsing down, and that would take us all the way down to this level here, which is around about 17,628. So we definitely need Bitcoin to giddy on up. Don't forget, we've got the federal meeting on October 3rd. That is a surprise snap meeting. And in my previous video, I talked about we're being robbed, and I think some people kind of misunderstood what I was talking about. And what I'm talking about, and the reason I say that we're being robbed out there in my previous video, is because of the rate hikes out there is one of the biggest catalysts that have caused the broader markets and the crypto markets to tank. And the rate hikes out there was one of the reasons why the bull run was cut short, in my opinion. And that is why, in my perspective, if the rate hikes didn't happen, we would still be pretty much going forward, going up. So the rate hikes has really robbed the momentum from the crypto space and the broader market. So there is some news and rumors swirling that this emergency, and it is an emergency impromptu meeting that very rarely happens, and that's happening on October 3rd, that there could be either a rethink and a walking backwards of the rate hikes. And if that happens, that's going to be good for the broader market. It's going to be good for crypto. It's going to be good for you and me. Or they're going to continue on their very hawkish stance and just say, look, we're going to increase the rates. And if that happens, that is going to cause the broader markets to tank. We're seeing that a lot of the stocks as well out there are tanking, and it's not going to help. So, yeah. The rate hikes are robbing us of the bull momentum and taking a lot of wind out of the sails of crypto and the broader markets, and that's one of the catalysts that is causing everything to go down. Of course, we got all the geopolitical stuff, we got the Ukraine stuff, we got gas, oil, consumer pricing, all that kind of stuff. But the rate hikes are definitely not happening. So Bitcoin is not looking good right now. It is risking collapsing below $19,000, and that's not a good thing. That is definitely a bad thing, and we want to definitely be avoiding that. So if you take a quick look at our friend, your friend, my friend, Shiba Inu right now, Shiba Inu, it's just consolidating. It's been going sideways for quite some time right now. It's been going almost about 8-9 days just sideways. It's kind of range bound between like 9 and 11, and we're just doing the Krabby Walk. So don't forget, we got the Eternity game that's coming out on the 6th as well. We got the Shibarium. So hopefully that will be a catalyst that will pump up Shiba Inu. But it depends. If these events happen and we have a macroeconomic headwinds which are really negative, that's just going to overshadow this positive news, and we're just going to see things just going flat. So if the release happens and we have a really good day in the market, this could actually help propel Shiba Inu to the top side. So will it stay above 12 cents? 12 in the house, not 12 cents. When the Eternity game release, it's yet to be determined. It really depends on the swirling momentum of the economic environment around it. So that goes for a lot of coins out there. But right now we are seeing once again that Luna Classic is looking good. But however, there is a chance that we could collapse down below the 3.2 level. So we do have a nice support line at this level here, and we're just at the support line. So we could get pushed back down, guys. And remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. That is so important. And remember, you've got to take profits. You've got to pay yourself. A lot of people don't pay themselves, and they just think things are going to be going up forever. Remember, things do go up. They do come down. do take your profits. So that's going to bring this video to a close. I would appreciate it if you could go and follow me on my Twitter. We got to about 4,750. Don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, why be in there, and don't forget to go down there, check out all the links, and guys, gear up with OG gear, get the merch. I would appreciate it. So this is a great time to be alive. Thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and thank you for supporting the channel. Go back and watch our charity video, and if you don't know what that is, we do have a charity video that is out, and it's you know, a really good video of the Dogecoin community and the crypto community giving back to those in need. So go back and watch that. I would appreciate it. Drop a comment over there and tell me what you think. And guys, just spread some love. Just spread some love out there. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.